stupid toe? Why? 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 Tell me why, golf club? Why is it always the stupid toe? Tell me! Tell me why! Stupid toe! It's always the stupid toe! It's always the toe! It's always the stupid toe! It's always the stupid toe! Why, golf balls? Tell me why! Tell me why, golf balls! Why is it always the stupid toe? Tell me why, golf balls! Stupid! Stupid! Stupid toe! It's the stupid toe!
Hey! Hey, guy! Hey! Hey! Hey, guy, what are you doing? What are you doing there?
Some balls, man.
Okay. Cool, go ahead. Go
Sure?
ahead. Yeah. Go ahead.
Thanks.
Go ahead. Oh, great. Nice. That's nice. You a gambling man?
Nah, I'm good, thanks.
Okay. No, that's cool. Go ahead. No, go ahead, hit it. Go ahead.
Trying to.
Okay.
Trying to concentrate
No,
here,
okay,
bud.
okay. Go ahead.
Thanks.
No, go ahead. First one was great. Go ahead. Oh. It's a cutter. Nice. You sure?
Yeah,
I think I could probably make a little bit of money off of you, to be quite honest.
You see that shot? I would smoke you if we made a bet.
No, go ahead. Go ahead. Another one. Go ahead. All right. Yeah. Still pretty sure. So, I mean, you know, I hit a 240 off the tee. I'm not bragging, but I really do think I can make some money off of you.
That's nice there, Bingo. What do you want to bet? A hundy? Yeah. Wait, you know what? I can't even tell if you're a hobo or a crack rock aficionado. You don't even have a hundy on you.
Okay. No, I do.
Just kidding,
I do.
I'm kidding.
I got it. I'm not gonna need it, but I got it.
All right then, man. What do you want to do? What's the bet?
That car, 5 balls, $100.
No.
All right, guy. Whatever. Why don't you just hit the ball?
That's what I'm about to do, guy.
It's all good. Hit the ball.
What do you think I'm about to do?
Hit the ball.
No.
Hit the ball.
No.
All right. Whatever.
No. Screw you.
All right. Whatever.
All right. That car, 5 balls, $100. Let's do it there, Bingo. Hey!
Oh, that's
The
thank you.
club's not supposed to make that noise when you hit the ball.
Got another Happy Gilmore quote there, ready?
Ready? Anything that goes that high on fire should have a stewardess on it and getting peanut. Okay, last shot. I hit this. You're right. This is a real easy way to make $100.
All right.
All right?
All right.
You ready?
I got you. Fasten your pants.
4-4 tie ball game. Bottom of the 9th. Here we go. Yeah! What do you think about that, Ginger Snap?